Can vinegar help you feel fuller and support weight loss? Vinegar has been a popular ingredient in cooking and home remedies for centuries. Recently, it has gained attention for its potential benefits in weight loss and appetite control. Let's explore how vinegar might help you feel fuller, how to use vinegar for fullness and weight loss, types of vinegar to try, and precautions to take when using vinegar. What is vinegar? Vinegar is a sour liquid made by fermenting alcohol with bacteria. The most common types include apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, and balsamic vinegar. The key ingredient in vinegar that is believed to have health benefits is acetic acid. How vinegar might help you feel fuller. 1. Slows digestion. Acetic acid in vinegar can slow down the rate at which your stomach empties. This means food stays in your stomach longer, making you feel full for a more extended period. 2. Reduces blood sugar spikes. Vinegar can help control blood sugar levels after meals. Stable blood sugar levels mean you are less likely to experience sudden hunger or cravings for sugary snacks. 3. Increases satiety. Some studies suggest that vinegar can help increase the feeling of fullness after eating. This can lead to consuming fewer calories throughout the day. How vinegar might support weight loss. 1. Reduces caloric intake. By making you feel fuller, vinegar can help you eat less at each meal, reducing your overall calorie intake. 2. Boosts metabolism. Some research indicates that vinegar can increase fat burning and metabolism. A higher metabolism means you burn more calories, even when you're not active. 3. Improves insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity helps your body use glucose more effectively, preventing excess fat storage. How to use vinegar for fullness and weight loss. 1. Add to meals. Use vinegar as a dressing for salads or a marinade for meats and vegetables. This way, you can incorporate it into your regular meals without much hassle. 2. Dilute in water. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar in a large glass of water and drink it before meals. This can help you feel fuller and eat less during the meal. 3. Cooking. Use vinegar in cooking to enhance the flavor of your dishes. For example, adding a splash of vinegar to soups or stews can boost taste without adding many calories. Types of vinegar to try. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Popular for its potential health benefits and mild taste. 2. White vinegar. Commonly used in cooking and for cleaning, it has a strong, sharp taste. 3. Balsamic vinegar. Sweet and tangy, it's great for salads and adding a rich flavor to dishes. Precautions when using vinegar. 1. Dilute it. Always dilute vinegar before consuming it. Pure vinegar can damage tooth enamel and irritate the throat and stomach. 2. Start slowly. If you're new to using vinegar, start with small amounts and gradually increase to avoid any digestive discomfort. 3. Consult your doctor. If you have any health conditions or are taking medications, especially for diabetes or heart conditions, talk to your doctor before adding vinegar to your diet. Vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar, may help you feel fuller and support weight loss by slowing digestion, reducing blood sugar spikes, and increasing feelings of fullness. By including vinegar into your meals, you might consume fewer calories and boost your metabolism. However, it's essential to use it properly by diluting it and consulting with your doctor if you have any health concerns. With these precautions in mind, vinegar can be a helpful addition to a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content.